Hello friends, this is Shashank here and today I'm gonna unbox my new Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ200 camera, which is the latest bridge camera by Panasonic. The first thing that I want to mention is with this package I got a Panasonic's 4GB Class 4 card and a carry case. Now moving further to the unboxing, the first thing we get in the box is the warranty card with 3 years Panasonic warranty. Next we got a lens hood, a lens filter along with a string, a Panasonic DE-A80 charger, a 7.2 volt 1200 mAh Li-ion battery, and the most noticeable thing about this battery is it can last for about 540 shots according to some tests conducted by SIPA, and is a very good achievement by Panasonic because even many entry to mid-level DSLRs doesn't last for such a long time. Now in the box, next we got the camera itself wrapped in a nice paper packaging, but let's keep it aside for a moment and see what more we get in the box. Other things in the box are user manuals in different languages, instruction manual disc, software disk which includes Panasonic SilkyPix and PhotoFun Studio softwares, a charging cable, a USB data cable for connectivity with computer, and the last thing we got in the box is the shoulder strap with Lumix written on it. And as you can see, there is nothing more left in the box, so let's keep the box aside and let's take a look at the camera itself. At first look, the camera looks very sturdy and more like a DSLR, but it's very lightweight and also has a very nice rubber hand grip. Now taking the look at the lens here is a 25mm ultra wide lens with optical zoom of 24x, but the most stunning feature about this lens is it has a very bright aperture of f2.8 constant throughout the full zoom range, which makes this camera unique in its category as no other compact or bridge camera available in the market now has such a bright aperture at full zoom range. The sensor here is a 12 megapixel MOS sensor, and also this camera can record 1080p Full HD videos at 60 frames per second in NTSC and 50 frames per second in PAL. So all these features are very impressive for a bridge camera. Now exploring the camera, on the left side of the camera we have a zoom lever, a focus selector switch, a focus button, and a combo microphone and remote jack. On the top of the camera we have a flash open lever and a flip out flash to its next. On the top of the flash we have a stereo microphone and a hot shoe for external microphone support. To its next we have a mode dial with bunch of modes available, a on off button, a function 1 button, a burst mode button with a burst rate of 12 fps at full resolution of 12 megapixel, and a dedicated video record button, a zoom lever with a shutter button on it. On the right side of the camera, under the flap we have a HDMI and a combo USB and audio video output. And on the bottom of the camera we have a tripod mount. To its next we have a compartment which houses a battery and memory card. This camera supports SD, SDHC and SDXC memory cards. Now on the back we have a switching button to switch between electronic viewfinder and LCD. Here we have an electronic viewfinder with 1312K dot resolution. Next is a playback button, the autofocus auto exposure lock button, and can also be used as a function 2 button, a rear dial, function 3 button, a display button, an ISO button, a white balance button, a self timer button, and a autofocus mode button. And on the center we have a menu or set button, and here we have a trash button, and this button can also be used as a quick menu button. And the best thing about this camera, which I like the most and probably most people do so, is vari angle flip out LCD screen, which is best for taking videos in different angles and also for shooting videos for YouTube. This screen is a 3-inch 460K dot resolution screen, which is not too high but also not too low as per bridge camera standards. So guys, this was all about my unboxing and overview of Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ200 camera. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do so, hit the like button and also subscribe to be updated to the latest videos and image samples and also some tests of this camera. And the last thing, thanks for watching.